Gates open, they're up and racing. Monte Napoleone, as expected, draws for your lead. Running by the rail is Flourish, Megamax. Owaki is racing in fourth, running on the outside. Megamax, or rather that's Gold Cougat, and trailing the group is Tritanic as they round towards the 3/4 mile pole with Flourish in command by about 2 lengths. Then running on the outside, second now is Megamax. Monte Napoleone, the favorite, shuffle back in third. Racing in fourth, Owaki down in fifth. Gold Cougat and Tritanic is in behind them by about 10 lengths to work out. Past the last 900 with Flourish still the leader. About to throw the challenge on the outside is Megamax. Owaki catching the third spot by the rail. Monte Napoleone, Gold Cougat, and Tritanic is still in behind them as they rounded the last 600. Megamax. Owaki now takes up the running from the outside as they turn towards the final 450 with Owaki now the leader by about a length and a half. Megamax by the rail. Flourish moving up on the outside is entry number 4. Monte Napoleone. Tritanic is sneaking in by the rail, and down the stretch they come. Owaki leading the field. Tritanic down on the inside with 150 to go. Owaki, Tritanic by the rail and leading the finish line. Owaki, Tritanic takes up the lead, and finally Tritanic winning this race from last to first. Second is Owaki, then comes Gold Cougat, Monte Napoleone, Flourish.